are now in Kravica Park. We just arrived. One option I have taken the train that brings me to the center of the park, but I'm not gonna do it now yet. First I'm going to go through these stairs. The stairs go down. It should take about 5 minutes to go down to see the waterfall and about 15-20 minutes, I don't know, to go up. The entrance to the park is 10 euros per person plus 3 years tourist fee. Always remember to bring cash with you wherever you go in Bosnia Herzegovina and also in Montenegro. There is always something to pay for. Man, my legs are still hurting from hiking to the top of close to the Kodor fortress a couple of days ago. Done it twice. There's gonna be already a vlog about that, so I'm going to link it above if you want to see it. The waterfall is already visible from the first platform, but we need to go down now a little bit further. It's a quite nice little walk going down. I can see how going up might be a little bit, you know, require more effort. They're giving free shots of some alcoholic beverage here, so there are a lot of people interested in it. It seems like it's the source of the waterfall because from here it goes down. So these are the waterfalls, and as you can see there are people swimming. It is possible to swim here, but you can't go close to the waterfalls, so you just have to swim in the area dedicated to swimming. I'm very tempted to go swimming, but I'm not sure. We don't have much time, and it's not super hot today, so I'm not dying to go for a swim. It looks nice though. Once you go down to the main pool, let's call it like that. There are lots of kind of ice cream places, restaurants. Looks really nice. It's a nice place to relax, I think. And I think actually you have enough time because 1 hour, 20 minutes, you have at least half an hour potentially to just completely relax in the water if you like, or eating an ice cream or something like that. It looks like a cave.
Hey, hold on, I'll stay here till it goes. You with your light can't let your shadows go. In the dark, we will find a place where love they find. In the dark, we will find in the warmth of the sun.